Hola, acá Nico, and in today's video I'm going to explain you what por ahí and capaz are. These are basically two phrases or two different words that means very much the same. These are two super common phrases or words that we use here in Argentina. We could say that it is kind of slang. I would not say that it's slang, it's just the way we say it here in Argentina. So, por ahí and capaz means maybe or kind of perhaps. Pretty much the same, but por ahí and capaz is kind of a bit more casual, let's say. If you speak a little Spanish, you maybe already know that in Spanish, neutral Spanish, we say tal vez, quizás, and puede ser. We normally say these three different things to say maybe or perhaps. But as you already know, here in Argentina, we use different words for almost everything. We have our own dialect, and that's why it is super important to learn Argentinian Spanish if you are coming here. So here in Argentina, we are not gonna say much tal vez or quizás. We just gonna keep it for formal context. We are not gonna say them in casual or more informal context when you're talking with a friend, when you're talking with someone in the street. We will normally just use por ahí and capaz. For example, let's see an example. Let's start with capaz, which is a bit more normal or more formal, let's say, than por ahí. Por ahí is a bit more casual, a bit more informal. Capaz mañana yo vaya a la escuela. Maybe tomorrow I will go to school. I go to school. We normally use capaz plus subjunctive. Remember that when we say maybe in Spanish, we almost always use it with subjunctive. So in Argentinian Spanish, you could say capaz mañana yo vaya a la escuela. Capaz mañana voy a la escuela. The normal way, which is in present, or you can just say the neutral way, which is tal vez mañana voy a la escuela o quizás mañana voy a la escuela. Let's see another example. Capaz que llego para verano a Argentina. Or you can say capaz llegue para verano en Argentina, which in English is maybe I will arrive to Argentina in summer. Let's see the neutral way, which is tal vez o quizás yo llegue o llego para verano a Argentina. So basically we are gonna say capaz a lot here, and not that much these two different words, which is tal vez and quizás. We would just say these two in more formal context, okay? Anyway, you can still say it, but it sounds a bit weird. Just try to normally say capaz. Then we got the other one, which is a bit more casual, a bit more informal, let's say, that is por ahí. Por ahí. First of all, por ahí has two different meanings. One is over there, for example, where is the McDonald's? ¿Dónde está el McDonald's? You can say está por ahí. It is over there. It's over there. Está por allá, which is it is over there too, or you can just say está por ahí. It is over there. But it also means maybe in a bit more informal way, in a bit more casual way. So we can say, for example, por ahí el lunes empiezo el gimnasio. Por ahí el lunes empiezo el gimnasio, or por ahí el lunes empiece, subjunctive, por ahí el lunes empiece el gimnasio, which is maybe on Monday I will start going to the gym. I will start the gym. The neutral way would be quizás, tal vez, el lunes empiezo o empiece el gimnasio. The same but the neutral way. Now let's see a harder one. Let's see if you can do this first. Maybe there is one over there. Maybe there is one over there. Just stop the video and try to think about it. Let's see if you can get it before I tell you. I give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 y medio, 5 y 5. Listo. So we are gonna say, por ahí hay uno por ahí. Maybe there is one, hay uno por ahí. Over there. Now you can see we got almost the same three type of words. We pronounce it almost the same way, which is ahí, I, and then again, ahí. Okay? So one is maybe, por ahí. The other is over there, por ahí as well. And the last one is I, which is there is, there are. Okay? So now that you are coming here to Argentina, you will visit my beautiful country, Argentina. You already know these two new words for you, which is por ahí and capaz. They basically means maybe or perhaps, but the Argentinian way. We also say tal vez o quizás, but it is more formal. We just keep it for more formal context. So now, here in Argentina, if you want to sound more like a native, more like a real Argentina, you shall starting to use these two new words for you. And if you would like to learn more Argentinian words, more Argentinian Spanish, more slang, more grammar, be updated on what's going on in Argentina, and receive daily tips to improve your Argentinian Spanish, I would like to invite you to my Telegram group, which is Argentina travelers. In that Telegram group, I will be sharing daily tips to improve your Argentinian Spanish, daily Argentinian vocabulary, news about Argentina. You can also find all the resources of my channel for free. Just join there. You will find everything that I've shared in this channel. You will also find the transcription of Argento podcast. You can ask me questions about Argentinian Spanish, about Argentina, and you can even practice your Spanish with me or the members of the group. So if you would like to learn more Argentinian Spanish, just like these two words, you have to join to my Telegram group. Over there or por ahí, you're gonna find everything you need if you will travel to Argentina, if you will visit Argentina. So I hope that you have liked this video. Please tell me what you think of these two new words and if you ever use them. Así que muchas gracias por ver este video y bueno, suscríbete, subscribe. Nos vemos. Chao, chao.